বাংলাদেশ
বাংলাদেশ
ভালোবাসি।
ভালোবাসি।
As I know, many people see the 2000 RPM machine online. Some company introduces their highest RPM machine like 2000 RPM or more or less. As I know, SINSIM introduced this highest RPM machine few years ago. But why not you are introducing this machine to overseas market? And why your RPM is still 1500 RPM and your suggestion for running the machine 1350? Why not introducing 2000 RPM machine to the global market?
Embroidery machine is high value product, not for tours only. So we have to take care machine life and stitch quality in long time, not for 1 or 2 months working.
Important.
Yeah. Second, about the embroidery machine, the structure is totally different than sewing machine. Sewing machine you can running 2000, 3000 RPM in short time. Stop. But embroidery machine, if running 2000 RPM, the hook should be running in 2 times. Then speed means 4000 RPM. If 4000 RPM running in 24 hours or in 365 days, that's impossible at the moment. So we SINSIM company, why we call it SINSIM? Because we serious, sincerely, honest to customer. So that's why SINSIM focus on the real speed for the embroidery machine. We created the value to customer, not for title, not for advancement only.
Very important thing that for advertisement, many people may show their machine running 2000 RPM. And I know SINSIM also have machine in the R&D department under testing. But very important thing that you publish to our customer, that why 2000 RPM machine not introducing to the market yet. Very logical and very logical answer. Why not introducing this so high speed machine to the market? Because machine actually for the stable and 24 hours running machine. So the quality is very important. For stable quality introducing in the market, it is stable reputation. So thank you very much.
Better embroidery, better life.